Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today, I was going to call it a meatball sub, but since these are hoagie rolls, I guess I'm going to have a meatball hoagie. And so, that's the only thing, the closest thing I come to a sub roll in the bread aisle the other day. So, anyway, it is what it is. You know how it is right now. But anyway, I got me some of these hoagie rolls. I'm going to use this Classico pasta sauce, and I've got some meatballs here I got from BJ's. They're real good meatballs. And I've got my cheese collection down here I got from Sam's Club, and so we're going to just pick us out a couple pieces of cheese and go on there when we're finished. And you know, if you didn't like the ones I picked, well, you got some more to pick from down there. Easy for you to say. So let's get started with it. By the way, we're going to do it in the Ninja FOODi DELUXE. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is dump this pasta sauce down in this pot here. And this is 32 ounce. That's a 32 ounce jar of this. So just dump it right down in there. I'll tell you what, that already looks good. Of course, there's a little bit stuck in the bottom right there, so I'm going to put me a little bit of water in here, not much because I don't want to thin it down much. I'm going to put me a little bit of water. I'll put the top on. Put the top on like this. I'm going to shake that little bit of water around real good so I can get the rest of that out of there. Like that. See, just that little bit of water saved a whole lot of sauce. Okay, now I know that's pretty hard to tell on camera, but now these are pretty good size meatballs here. So, to make 2 subs, I'm just going to put 6 of them down here in this pot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. All right. Okay, now we'll get my pressure lid here. You know, you line up the arrows here in the front. Turn it clockwise till it stops. Come back here and turn your valve to seal and not vent. Make sure it's turned to seal. And then you come over here and turn on the power. And then we'll go over here to pressure. Go leave it on high, but the time now, you push the time button here. And it starts flashing. You run it on down as far as you want to. And it's going to be 3 minutes is all we're going to do it for. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is hit this start button, and it'll start pressurizing the unit. Now, most of you know as it goes, you know, it's going to chase those little lights around until it gets close to being pressurized, and then it will stop and start counting down to 3 minutes. We'll be back when it does that, and I'll let you know how much time it took. Okay, now while we're waiting for this to pressurize, might as well get our roll ready here. Try to do it without cutting your finger off. This is going to be good. I say that a lot, don't I? This is going to be good. Well, most of the time it is good. Alright, now I don't want quite this much bread in here because I'm trying to cut down, you know, so I'm just going to take and pull some of this bread out of this roll. You know, I'm sure there's a more sanitized and better way to do this than what I'm doing it, but anyway, when I fill this thing up with my rolls here, I want it to be able to close. And got a little bit for the birdies outside. And so now we just wait. Okay, now the little silver button back there just popped up, and it took about 12 or 14 minutes. Took a little bit longer than I thought. Of course, those meatballs were completely froze. So now we'll see how long it is before these little lights quit chasing each other around and starts counting down our 3 minutes. Well, if you got a second, if y'all can join our channel and give us a thumbs up, we sure would appreciate it. And it only took about a minute for that to start counting down that 3 minutes there. So that's not long at all. So we'll be back in about 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Okay, now that's down 7 seconds here on this 3-minute cook. And I just want to say thank you very much for all you people that watches our videos. We sure do appreciate it when you watch our videos. Alright, now this is going to start counting down, or counting back up, but we don't want it to rest in. We just go ahead and make a quick release on it. I want to turn the pot around so I can get a better handle on it. I'll move you over here so you can see better. And then I'm going to come up here and just hit the valve. See how long it takes for that to get out of there. Okay, and there it went. It took 3 minutes and 24 seconds for that pin to drop. So now, let's open this lid and look down in here together. Get untangled from a drop cord over here. Turn it counterclockwise. Up and away from you, turn it upside down, over to the sink. That looks good, don't it? Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Now that looks pretty delicious down in there, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Alright, now next thing we'll do is come over here and start picking me out some cheese to go down in my roll here. Okay, now I put some Belgian Fontana in there and some and I forgot, I gotta look and see. And Irish cheddar is what I put down there. So now, we're about ready here. Put this over here and put some meatballs down in it. Oh boy. That's a big meatball. Makes a 3 of them. I almost hit that with my thumb. That would have been hot. Now, let me see if I can push that down in there a little bit with a fork. Oh yeah, just like that. Okay, and that's about it for this little video here. I just want to show you how to make a quick hoagie or a sub, whichever one you want to call it, a meatball sub or a meatball hoagie. You know? So, fix to take a bite and see how it is, but I don't know how we're doing it on camera now. It's going to go everywhere. So let's see. Oh, I got me a bag of these Lay's barbecue chips and one of the little 12-ounce Coca-Colas here. You know, it don't look like it's 12 ounces in there, does it? But I bet you it is. But anyway, that's about the least fattening way you can go and have a Coca-Cola, unless you just have half of one, you know. So anyway, let's see how this is. I know how the meatballs are because I already tried one. I cut it in half and ate it. I want to tell you right now, that is just about good beyond belief. Now, if you don't believe me, try one of them one time and just put it in there, you know, that's frozen meatballs, from frozen to your sandwich here. Well, you got to account for the building up pressure time and stuff like that, but really cook time is only 3 minutes, but it took about 10 minutes for it to pressurize, and took about 2.5 to 3 minutes to let the pressure off of it. So about 15 minutes, about 18 minutes, you have a good meatball sub, or a hoagie, whichever one you prefer. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Don't forget to wash your hands, stay away from people. Till next time, goodbye now.